Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Logix 24/7 High Back Office Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, a pair of arms marked left and right, gas strut, 5 casters, 5-star base, headrest, 2 20mm bolts, 2 washers, 1 headrest plate, 2 sizes of Allen key, 3 18mm bolts, 4 30mm bolts, and 4 25mm bolts. Some of the bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the larger of the 2 Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, attach the arms to the seat pad using the 30mm bolts in the outermost holes and the 25mm bolts in the innermost holes. Each arm is marked underneath to indicate whether they go on the right or left of the chair. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now attach the backrest to the mechanism using the 3 18mm bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. With the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Align the headrest with the holes in the back of the chair and attach using the 2 20mm bolts and washers. You'll need to use the smaller Allen key here. Now push the headrest plate into position. It will click into place. Finally, place the lumbar pump in the hook and loop fastening for easy access. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your new Logix 24/7 High Back Office Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.